it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We are at the Generative AI Expo. It's part of the IT Expo TECHSUPERSHOw. It's February 2026. And part of our wonderful experience here is speaking with the great exhibitors such as Zanus AI, and Zanus AI representatives are with me in our production booth. Can you please introduce yourself, starting with you, Luca?
Yeah, well, first of all, it's a pleasure, it's an honor to be here with you. It's a great show. This is Luca Zanetti from Zanus AI. I'm the CTO, the technical director of Zanus AI, in charge of the engineering of the generative AI product. And here is Giorgio.
I'm Giorgio Zanetti. I'm our Chief Marketing Officer, and I'm in charge of all our marketing and technical showing information.
Exciting. So you have an AI at the end of your name, so I kind of guessed. I didn't have to put it in ChatGPT. I guessed that you guys are in the AI space.
Well, we gathered all the information from the customers around. So we come from 25 years of hardware. We are in the broadcast field since 25 years. And now we have this sister company called Zanus AI. So of course we are not starting today. We know hardware very well. We have this experience, and we listen to our customer and to many customers looking for AI. We are in the world of AI now. Everybody wants to do AI, but everybody is concerned about the security, because the main problem is AI is the best technology, the greatest technology. Everybody will have AI because it makes everything easier for employees, for running everyday business. But the problem is the concerns of sharing your privacy, your data, your information over the cloud, because of course you're telling the cloud where it is. The cloud is an abstract thing. You send over the cloud your customers, your clients, your information, your private data, your project, your patents, or your new invention. Who is on the other side? Who is on the other side of the wire? We are training these models, because of course this model, everybody's saying, oh, they are getting better, better, better. How do they get better? Of course, with speaking to them every day. So you train literally with your secrets and your data and your customer, your information, an unknown pool of data which is in the cloud. So these tokens that you rent, that you pay, that cost more and more because the electricity, they probably give you the tokens for free now, but they will not be forever because they're spending billions of dollars for electricity. The thing is that you are training, you are using these tokens, and these tokens are to train the next models, and actually the privacy that everybody wants is gone. So when you run any kind of business, it can be an engineering company, a law firm, a clinic, or just a small business, nobody wants to share over the cloud, because the cloud is the cloud. I mean, one thing is ChatGPT, that is for, how do I run the dishwasher? You can run the dishwasher this way, or how do I, do one thing or another. One thing is a very important service that ChatGPT or other AI system does. A different story is to run your company on AI. So Zanus AI is focused on making a private AI server and software system, one solution that is never connecting to the AI in the cloud. And this way you have privacy, unlimited tokens. It's never a rental surprise, because the most important thing after the privacy is the cost, because right now everybody's saying, oh, I give you 1 million of tokens for no money, but one picture is 30,000 tokens, one picture. So if you're running a business with 3 people and you are doing a real serious job every day, the 1 million tokens is going to be thousands of dollars a day. So the cost of a Zanus AI is really less than the cost of a manager, and it works 24/7 for you. So you can run your business, you can log. Zanus AI is learning your rules, is learning your documents, it knows exactly what you want, it can do projects, you can do design, you can manage customers, it can be used for any medical or business application, financial application, because we have all the security. So our system is redundant, is completely quiet, can be installed in any office without the crazy noise everybody knows that these servers does. You put one of these server and it's screaming like you cannot stay in the office. The Zanus AI has been designed for the business. So you put it in your office, you connect the network, and immediately you create a user. And at that point, it learns from you and it stays on your premises, never leaves your premises.
It sounds to me like it's very similar to what we've seen in the last couple of weeks with OpenCloud, but with the security built in and with some kind of management of costs, et cetera, right? Or am I missing it?
Well, we don't use the cloud at all. So actually, we have our own GPU system inside the box. And actually what happens is that you do not connect to GPT or any other provider.
It's a safer solution or alternative than some of these other ones that are kind of more open and their security is questionable.
Exactly. So key point is no tokens, no rental, no security sharing, no data sharing. So IPA, compliance and all the other compliance. So we can run really any possible of, kind of business without risking to train the next model with your secrets, because of course the data and every other information stays on your server, in your office, on your premises. So nothing is leaving the building ever.
And it sounds like it's great for personal information, GDPR, sovereign data, law firms that can't risk it.
Yeah, absolutely. And also the way it works is completely modular. We have an inbox where you can literally drop any possible file format from DXF to picture to videos. We run 5 LLMs inside, so the system is picking up, is working actually depending from the momentum with the proper LLM. So it's not one engine, is an intelligent system that decide if you are looking at a video or scanning a picture, or understanding an email. So the unit can be connected to any existing software, so the integration is easy. And absolutely, at that point, you can build on these information cases or projects, or depending from the business, you can build different let me call it projects, okay? So every project can be with or without a customer. You can add the libraries. So the answers are not hallucinating. And this is a very important thing, because what everybody hates is that, you ask in the morning something to this cloud AI and they have good content at the moment, the bandwidth is there. But in the afternoon, the very same thing doesn't work anymore, and start, saying crazy thing because they have to share the same amount of computing with the millions of people. This is your machine. It never throttled the bandwidth, never throttled the token, never throttled the context. And if you start, working in the morning, then you can keep going in the afternoon without, losing the context. And if you're talking with, on a project with a customer, with a client, you have an open project, there are some library. The answers are exactly related to the information that are in that project. Is never, something that, can confuse with another chat. These are not chat. This is a system that reasons with your information specific for that project, and of course delivers you faster the information that runs your company. So if you have your secretaries, your employees, they can open their own user login, and they can run easier and faster with accuracy that is not possible. Sometimes we have a new function, for example, it's called Time Machine, that you can like a video editing. You can screw back and forth into the timeline of a project and see exactly, with the summaries, what happened. So a lawyer can go back in time or go forward in time on a case for a customer and take the right decision and generate the decision. So depending from the application, the system is really complete. It comes with all the software that is already designed by us. We have packages for enterprises, for small business, for lawyers, for clinics, many. You can.
And how do you charge?
We have a very simple. We do not rent. We sell the system. So when you buy the system, it's one-time payment. We also do a financing. For example, just to give a dimension what we are talking about, it can cost $3,500 a month for 3 years, and it's yours. It's unlimited.
What about service?
The service is included for the first year. And so we have, if you do an upgrade, there are new version of the model that are built in, we just do the upgrade for you. Then if you want to have more upgrades, you can decide to pay for the next year. And if you want to add your own agents, this is important. We have a very complete software. If you want something very specific for your company, for your business, for your application, for your design, technical design, risk assessment, any possible business, insurance, you can ask us to do an app. What is an app? An app is a sequencer with multiple agents that understand your question and design and output actually your desired outcome. You can do your own agent and integrate it, or we can do it for you. And of course, this is something that we can do easily. So your package, your software will be custom for your company. In other words, the system learns from you, does what you require. If we don't have the app, like the iPhone, you can add an app and it's yours, and it's private. It's your business. Nobody will learn. There will be no in the cloud AI that can, learn from your secret, and then when they come out with the next version of their, chat, they will serve your business, your secrets as a standard, common ground for everybody else. So no, they will not tell how you do your own, pasta to everybody, so everybody can do the same pasta. Your pasta will stay yours. I'm saying this because I'm Italian, of course, and so I like to talk about pasta. That's my...
With that, we're going to take a break for lunch now. How do people find out more about your company? What's your website?
Well, this is Giorgio.
I'm our Chief Marketing Officer again. You can come to us at zanusai.com, or you can reach out to us at sales@zanusai.com.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. It's been an opportunity.
Thank you.